Welcome to TechnoScripts. In this video, we are going to repair Fire TV stick remote. Before deassembling your remote, look at these points. Try installing new batteries. Clean the battery connectors from the remote. Use the Amazon Remote mobile app to force resync. This is second generation Amazon Fire TV stick remote. We will open the battery cover first. Let's open it. Now you can see there are two batteries installed in the remote. The battery voltage is 1.2 volt each. So remove the batteries. If you see, there are two plus points and two negative points like terminals. Please make sure that terminals are clean. There is no carbon on the terminals. Try to clean that terminals and put your batteries again. Check with your Amazon Fire TV stick is it connected or not. Otherwise go for further steps. If you have changed the batteries recently, you can check the battery voltage using multimeter. Each battery voltage is 1.2 volt and the ampere depends on your battery type. So let's check first cell. I am using multimeter with the range 20 volt. The first cell, the result is 1.31 volt. Let's check second one. This is also same 1.31, 32. So we can conclude that our cell is fully charged. I am using these rechargeable cells. Now it's time to open our remote. We can open remote with the help of screwdriver or the tool which will open the locks. There is no screw for this second generation remote. So I am opening it in the background. Yes, we have opened our remote. Now you can see in first part there is a PCB and in another part you can see 4 contact spring pads. The contact spring pads internally connected to both batteries. One point is to plus positive and another point is to negative. So before going to further steps, we should try by cleaning all the points from the PCB and from the contact spring pads. So we will clean the all points first, then we'll check the next steps. After cleaning all the contact spring pads and the battery terminals, we should try is it connecting or not. So we'll put the batteries and test. Now we will check. Yes, it's connected to my Fire TV stick. But the friends, this is not the final and permanent solution. So whenever we'll drop the remote, again we'll face with the same problem. To avoid this, we will see next solution. This is very important step. In this step, we are connecting all the power terminals with the help of wire. The wire should be ultra thin and insulated. In my case, I am using damaged earphone wire because it's insulated and very thin. So as wire has insulation, I am burning it I will solder all the endpoints and will show all the connections in the next step. If you see, I have connected all the points with the help of wire without disturbing contact spring pads. So now we will put the batteries and test is it working or not. You can see I am not touching the contact spring pads with the PCB. I am putting the batteries. We will check is it working or not. Let's check now. Yes, you can see without touching the PCB we have created the manual connection and it's working fine. So friends, this is the final and permanent solution. Let's in next step we will pack the remote. Now it's time to assemble the remote. While assembling the remote, you should keep all the wires separately so it should not disturb to the PCB or the fitting. Once you pressed all the locks, you should apply the gum and check is it properly fitted or not. Finally, it's time to test. After all the fitting, now put the batteries and check is it working or not. Now you can see yes. Now you can see remote is working properly. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.